I am out here. I've got the garden behind me, of course, but I was just walking by and just looking at some of my berry bushes and noticed that I have my first ripe, well, I'll just pick it off here, blackberry. Look at that. Beautiful. This one's actually my best looking blackberry bush so far, but that is fantastic looking. Super stoked about that. I've been excited about having this berry fence here. I come out here and look every day, and just so that I can get on top of it before the birds do. But I was really happy with that. You can tell it's pretty well ripened. There's a little bit of redishness there. I'm gonna give it a try. So good. Super sweet. A little bit of tartness there. Absolutely incredible. I just got to show this guy off again. What a fantastic. Thank you so much, Mr. Blueberry or Blackberry Bush. I'm excited about that. Got some really big things heading up here on the farm, so stay tuned for that. But I really wanted to just bring you in for that because that is awesome. That's the first fruit that I've ever eaten here that's been grown on the 1 acre vegan farm. So hopefully that's the first of much, much more. And I'm expecting that. So stay tuned for more updates. And yeah, if you haven't heard already, I love you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.